Hello everyone, welcome to today's training. This training promises to be a very powerful packed training for you that's going to take your business to the very next level. So long as you have to do anything or you have something to do with online presence or establishing your brands, building your brands on the internet, this training is going to supercharge you. Alright? So in this training, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the best hosting for your website on the internet, and not just that, how you can design a simple WordPress website in a couple of minutes. So sit back, and I'm sure you are going to get lots of value from this video, and I hope this video is going to be very powerful for you. Right? So without much ado, we're going to get straight into the training. So for this training, we're going to be using Bluehost for hosting our website. So you can follow the link on the description of this video, or the link somewhere down in the description of this video, and you will arrive at this homepage here, Bluehost. So you can see, once you get there, you just move straight to get started, to start immediately for your website. So here you have some plans here, different plans. Okay, you have the basic plan, which allows you for one website with some limitations, 50 gigabytes for website space, and lots of limitations. But I would recommend, as a beginner, if you're starting out, you should go for the plus. Alright, this gives you a lot more freedom and a lot more value, right? Alright, so you have unlimited websites, you have unmetered space and unmetered bandwidth, the performance is standard, and you have also a free domain. That is so powerful about this. And not just that, you have this bonus here, $200 for marketing. So you can start out immediately to run Google ads or Bing ads, as the case may be. Right, so you have a lot to gain with this particular package. But if you want to go for the plus, you can also go for that. But I would just recommend for this video this particular plan. Alright, so let's get started. You select this particular plan. So now you sign up, you're going to choose the domain. Okay, so let's take, for example, I want to choose the keto dieting plan. Alright, so take, for example, next. So you can see the domain keto dieting plan is the primary domain of another account and cannot be signed up while the account is active. So let's check something else. Maybe I could say planner or plan menu. This is just for an example. You can take anything of your choice. It could be the name of a business or any particular domain that you want to buy, right? Maybe be it in the health niche, or in the weight loss niche, or in muscle growth, or diet, or anything at all. Any niche at all. So you can put in your domain name that you want to register for your website, and let's check if this one is available. Keto dieting plan menu. This is just for an example, right? Okay, let's see. Alright, so you have this ready. So what you just need to do is you enter your name. Let's say, for example, for this case, let me take Francis. Alright, Francis Desmond. Okay, then your business name. If you have a business name, you can put it. If you don't have, you can leave it open. Let's take, for example, Des France. Okay, Des Frank. That's our business name. So you choose your state. Let's take, for example, you are from Nigeria. You can choose Nigeria over here, and that's that. Okay, so now you enter your street address. okay, and enter your postal code and your phone number. For example, since you're in Nigeria, let's take 80567458897, right? Just for an example, okay? Then you enter email address here. So can take let me put my email. Okay. Alright, so whatever you have there, just put it in there. Now, your account plan, okay? Now, with this, your total hosting plan is going to cost $214 at $5.95 for 36 months. So, if you don't have up to this amount, you have the option to choose either the 12-month plan, the 24-month plan, 36, or the 60 months. So, whichever one. But actually, the 36 months will give you a lot more much more value than any of the other options. But let's assume that you are on a low budget, and let's go with the 12 months. So we have about $95.4 for our hosting. Then over here you can see this is domain privacy protection. This is very important, okay? It's kind of protects your domain and prevents spamming or people contacting you randomly and stuff like that. So, and for this particular one, site lock security, you can uncheck it. We don't necessarily need it for now. The code guard basic, we don't necessarily need it. This other one, we don't necessarily need it. So you have a total of about just $107.28. Okay. So what you need to do is you proceed and enter your card details. Right. So if you're in Nigeria, you actually need to have a domiciliary account for this, because as you know, the normal Naira card does not work on international sites. So you need to have a card that is connected with your DOM account. Alright. So if you're from other countries, you can easily put in your card details. So you do that, and then you enter the details. You select I have read and agreed to Bluehost terms, then you click submit. Alright, so once you submit this, it's going to take you to next page that I'm going to be showing, right? Alright, so once you log in to your account, it's going to load up like this. This is your Bluehost account, okay? You can see my site, you can see marketplace, my sites. So you can see. So let me go straight to log into our WordPress account. Alright, so boom, we're logged in. So first of all, once you are logged into your account, there are quite a few things that you need to do so that your account will get started up immediately. First of all, you're going to install some plugins. Okay, these plugins are just like applications, just like if you have your iPhones, the apps that powers your iPhone, or your Android phones, the apps that power your Android phones. That's just the same way plugins works. So they are very important. So they are, I'm just going to give you about 5 important plugins that you will need to install into your WordPress account to get you kickstarted out immediately. So now plugins, click on the button of plugins, and it takes you to this page. So what you do, so you click add new plugins, right? So the very first one I'm going to be recommending to you is the plugin called Yoast, right? Just search the keyword Yoast and you see it, Yoast SEO. Okay, you can see it has about 1 million active installations, and you can see I've already installed it on this particular system, this particular WordPress account. So if it has not been installed, let's say for example I have this other one, I want to install it, I'll just click on install now. So the button would have appeared as install now. So you just click on install, and once you click on install, it starts to install. And the second one I'm going to recommend for you to get started at immediately is contact form. So contact form 7. Alright, this is a very powerful plugin too. You can see it has up to 1 million active installations already. So just the same way you install the first one, just click on install and installs. So it becomes active. You can see it's already activated on this particular WordPress account. Then the third one I'm going to be recommending to you is the Updraft. Okay, Updraft Plus. So you can see this particular plugin has over 1 million active installations too. Right? So, and it back up and restore your files should in case you encounter any challenge. You know, you are working on the internet, so anything can happen. Your system can crash, server can crash, things can just come up, and you'll be like, wow, you're going to start from the beginning again. But this Updraft, it just helps you to back up everything just in one place, and can be able to restore them just by one click. So you can see it's already active on this account, right? So now the fourth one I'm going to be introducing to you is item security. Item security. So you can see it, item security. So it's also active, and this has about 900,000 active installations. So this particular plugin helps to protect your account, your website, so that you don't have some fishy things going on your website, or people trying to attack your website in any form, in any format, you know. So this is kind of a top layer security, provides top layer security to your website. Alright, so this is also a very powerful plugin. Okay, so then the last, okay, not necessarily the least plugin that I'm going to be introducing to you, Sumo Me. So pops up. So with this particular plugin, you can collect emails, collect information on your website, and turn your website into automatic e-commerce for growth of your subscribers. Okay, so you just go and submit it. So in a later video training, I'm going to be showing you how to set up these different plugins and how to optimize their usage and how to use them very well. So now the next thing that we need to do after we have successfully installed our plugins is we come to user. Okay, then you come here to profile. Okay, so profile, here you can add users. For example, if you have clients or people that you're working for and you want them to have some access to the dashboard or to the panel, you can add them up in here, add new users, and you create a new user. Okay, alright, so you can see, very simple, add a new user. So but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, then I come here to change some stuff here. Appearance, I want to change my theme. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a powerful theme that we're going to be using for this particular training. Okay, So now I'm going to be introducing you to this powerful thing called Ocean WP. You can see I already typed it. Okay, so I search it. You can see Ocean WP is already installed. Okay, I've already installed it, so I can customize it. But let's say, for example, I'm searching another theme. Okay, add new theme. So, for example, I go to popular. Popular themes, okay? So, you can see this one is already installed. This one is also installed. Right? You can activate it. Activate. Okay? So, it's very simple. So, I will be recommending Ocean WP because that's what we're going to be using for this training, to show you how to just build a very simple WordPress website just in a matter of few minutes or less than few hours. You get started immediately, and it is very super valuable. With this training, you can start up your own business as a website designer. You know, designing website these days has become so very easy and very simple that it doesn't require so much technicality for you to get your website set up. So from this training, you can actually get a lot of value that you can use to set up your own websites very fast, and not just for your own self, for your clients, and make money from it. So it's my joy when I see people after this kind of training and they're able to establish themselves and start getting something done and help themselves and help their family and help the future. Alright, so having installed this particular theme, so now what I'm going to be doing is that we'll start to edit the theme now. So now, first of all, click on appearance. So I go to customize. Right, so while it loads up, it's a little bit slow here. I just hope you're getting some value from this particular video and this training. Right. Alright, so you can see. So right, already we've started doing some little designs already. So but I'm gonna be showing you everything and how you can set it up just on your own. So from here we can actually do a lot of things. I can change the top bar, the header, the blog site, and a lot of things that we can effect here. So, but okay, on this particular page, I want to show you something right away. Since I'm skipping something, so before we actually get to customize our theme, okay, I want to do something here. Menu. So menu, I'm going to be creating pages. Okay, so I want to create page. You can see I've already created a contact page, created a about us page, home page. So let's say I want to add another page, for example, right? So I want to add a new page. Add a new page here. Okay, all right, leave. So I want to add a new page, and let's name this particular page products, right? Product is going to be our product page. Product. Okay, so what I want to do now next is in my content layout, I just want to make it full width, okay, or 100% full width, right? because I want it to contain as much as it can. Then the margins, I just disable it, and then in sidebar I leave it at default. Okay, I leave it at default. Then title, display title, you can say disable display title, right? So it doesn't show the title products on the page. Okay, so you see how it's going to appear in my used snippet. Okay, so with that, I'll click publish. Okay, publish. I see product is now live. Okay, so I come back to my appearance and I click menus. So you can see product is here now. Okay, so what I would do is, I want my product to appear in the main menu. I would select it and then add to menu. Okay, so it has been added, you can see it here, and I have a product page. So if I want this product to just be on its own, like contact us, I will leave it like this. But if I want it to be a drop down menu, maybe under my home page, I can just come here and put it here. Okay, so it becomes a drop down, just like about us. So you're going to see, like, take example, this one is on its own, contact. You can see the alignment between contact us and home page, but about us and products, they are under home in a different alignment. So you're going to see how it's going to be like. Save menu. So when I save this menu now, okay, then save menu, then I go to visit site. So let's see what our site is going to look like. Okay, so you can see, alright, welcome, our team is just there, and home, you can see contact us. So when I click home, you see it, about us and products, right? So I've not really put anything in these pages, but just to give you an idea of what how to put such kind of menu. So if you want you want the menus to be on the same line, you can create more menus. I mean, you can add more pages from here and then name it, and then from here, once you add pages here and publish it, they will appear here. Once they appear in this place, you can then add them to your menu, and then you can now arrange it the way you want to arrange it, whether you want them to be on their own or be a sub menu to other menu. I hope this is clear, and I hope you got this particular part of the training. So having done that, alright, so the next thing I want to show you is, let's try to just create a simple landing page, right? Let's try to do a simple landing page. So go to pages, okay, and we have, or let's look at all pages, right? So I forgot to mention something. By the time you install the Ocean WP, it's going to recommend this plugin automatically, and this other plugin, there's a second plugin that comes with it. So just make sure that you install the two plugins that is recommended to you. Immediately you install your Ocean WP theme, right? So let me for that. So I just want us to do, let's do a simple page now. Let's create a simple home landing page. So I want to edit with element. Okay, right, it's loading up. So once you click on edit with Elementor, you can see this part. This would take you to this, okay, and clicking again gives you that. Then this other one, okay, shows you the basic thing. So now let's do some let's add a new section. Okay, you can add a template, you can add a new section. So let's add a new section. So I want to select just a plain structure because I want to do just a landing page. Okay, so here, click here, edit section. You can see, got that. You can edit it anytime. So let's look at the layout. Okay, so from the layout, you can change the style, background. You can change stuff there. You can change the border. You can change the background. You can make it gradient. You can add a video background to it, just like in some website you see some kind of videos playing in the background. So any particular video that you want to use, maybe a YouTube video, you just drop the link of that video here and boom, you got it. Okay, so you can decide to change the background or use an image. You can add an image, maybe from the library or from what you have on your phone. So for example, let me try to upload file. Let me upload a file, select files. I have an image on my system that I want to use as my background. So I can choose any of this particular background. Okay, I think I like this one here. I'm choosing this one. So open it and it begins to load. And okay, so start media. Alright, so you can see it's already there. But what I just want you to know that you just have to know the basic. There are a lot of things that you can actually do. You can decide to add templates. There are a lot of templates here that you can use. So it's just for you to play around the environment. You already got the idea, alright? So just being creative and play around the environment, and you can actually do anything that you want to do on this particular platform. So I'm going to be showing you an example, a sample of what I don't want this video to be a very long one. So I actually did some little work in the background. So I'm just going to be showing you what I've been able to do with this tool and what it looks like. So you can see here. So this is just our page. Okay, just to create a very simple page like this. It's very easy. Okay, just click on it, click on this, and it appears. You make any change you want to make, whatever you want to do is just very easy. It's just like drag and drop. Okay, you want to add a text or image or video, whatsoever. Add the button is simple. Okay, the button is added. You can see it. Then you can just edit it. Let's say I want to edit this. Call it okay, text. You can change the text here and say download. Okay, boom, did that, and I can centralize it. Okay, this is the center now. So it's just very easy. I want to change the style and change the text color. choose here, maybe choose something like this, okay, or choose a blue color and choose any color at all that I want to choose. Okay, so it's very easy, very simple and straightforward. Look at the typography, change the background, maybe black, okay, or blue, or orange, or okay, something like this. So, well, I'm not trying to design a very beautiful website for you, but I'm just trying to show you something that is possible with this particular theme. So what you just need to take out in this particular training, first of all, is you understand what to do and how to get the best out of your hosting plan, and then how to set up your WordPress site with the right plugins. And I've also given you, I've recommended to you a powerful theme that you can start working with. So you just need to go out there and start doing the work. I am not going to be able to design everything or show you how to design everything on this particular training. If I'm going to do that, it's going to be a very long training and it's going to be a little bit boring. Okay, it's already getting a little bit boring already, right? So, but it's just something that you can play around with. There are a lot of options for you there, just for you to go over there and get things started out for you. So this is very, very easy and very, very straightforward. So I hope you got some value from this particular content, and I hope you are getting value from this training, and I hope to see you guys in the next training. Right.